Hey, document. See, baby, you don't know the one with this, so you are the document, man. You are the baby, man. You are the baby, man. Oh, see, baby. Well, we go to if I don't ever, well, we go. Oh, what we say, give this thing break. Say, we are walk here.
They go father law.
Hey, my sister.
Congratulations on your 10 years.
Oh, you are the document, man. You are the document, man.
Which country?
You are the document, man. A document is on my boy.
Which document is on my boy?
A document is on my boy. A document is on my boy.
Which document give you now?
Document. Eh?
Canada give you visa, so.
Yes, so.
Congratulations to Canada.
Congratulations
to Canada.
I don't get father. I don't get father.
I go my young, my brother. I go my young.
Stamp. Come. Approve. Anytime. If you want to go Lagos again, may give your passport or anything. Where is your ID card or your passport? Can't you see my name? Oh, do you know the capacity for someone to give you a bebo? I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm fucking proud. I'm proud of myself. If I don't frame my man nowhere. If I don't frame my, if you cannot take it, my show na the can frame I want to for this bebo. My show na the can frame. Not be this small one me there. Not be all this small one. My show na the can frame I want to for this bebo. When I say this can frame, I want to for this bebo. This can frame. Sure, this big one. This big one. I'll put up for this other side. This big one. Hey, wow, a bebo now. This big one. This is called for celebration. This is called for celebration. Me they call by me one. Ah, one going be around. Me my de in ya wa de be a bebo. Document. Document. A document is some about. A document is some about.
Godfather, somebody just call me, they explain, they give me now, say you are Lady P, sister, get problem. I beg la one is me mate no so one moment la document.
We get problem. I don't know that problem. Oh,
we don't want to say why. Well, my word, I go Lady P go on say me no.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Document ari me. Ezo. Me ezo. The document na hina. The document. E documentary me o, e documentary me. E documentary me o, eso e documentary me, documenti. E documenti or someone boy. E documenti or someone boy, document. If you are a frame, if you do frame here, up me, what I want you for waiting. Please, I don't want quarter, I don't want that.
Father.
I'm only here for celebration.
You know, say yesterday I talked to you about this issue. My wife, my not there. You know,
I'll chat you.
Hold on.
I don't rest for quarter now. But if you I can't celebrate.
You know, say that yesterday, me they asked 12 and I say what did they happen. When she come, they show me what they know you. They show me your page, they show me your mama.
Wait,
you know, say she not post her. She not post her. Now we are but
you know my picture.
Oh yeah, wait, because I thought she be my brother.
Okay, now you should call the show. Okay.
Okay,
no worry. If you reach where the body, because now me say me the relator. I dey write my name for you. They write the girl name for you.
Godfather.
So this pretty one, I don't know pretty one. So if they want black pretty one, they write Godfather. That's capital letter. Betty, where you carry you come? So I don't see you come up. So I don't see you come up. But you fair with you know because what we do for you and congratulations. So this paper, if they need money, we are going to relate it. You are going to write call this Agbado when you buy mama, who do buy the guest name, or you write capital letter Godfather. You can write the sexy way. Come on, know who send me Juju. Wait here, what you define the con with the send request. So for those of you that is here, from now, be respecting me. You know why? When I'm maybe Menor Africa 10 years document approved signature. I'll frame it tomorrow. See envelope. Customize envelope. Customize. Now so customize envelope. Customize envelope. Customize.
Your problem.
You're mad. Go,
Why you dey insult girls?
You when they do
dey
care, you
craze.
tell me request, your life goes spoil.
You where they suffer. You where they suffer. Yahoo not pay you. Yahoo not pay you. Your mama dey village they suffer for village. You dey go sit down for a house with boss man they do gay for a side. You are those boys man they do gay for a house. You are those boys man they do gay for a house. Yahoo boy where they do gay. Ooh. Yahoo boy where they do gay.
Holy Ghost fire.
Yahoo boy
Holy Ghost fire.
Yahoo boy where be gay.
Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Born you idiot. Go punish you madman.
Yahoo boy where be gay.
Idiot.
Two.
Now we don't make this country better. Now these bad people in this country don't make this country better. And they tell now. And they regret my life. I don't know if I don't join TikTok. And they regret my life now. I don't know if I don't join TikTok. What's going on here? Gay. In 2025. Alpha, what do you have to say about that guy? What do you have to say about that madman?
I'm a fucking yash.
You want? So you be gay? You be gay? I dey regret my life. And I know if I don't join TikTok, Nigerians pray for me, please. I dey regret. Where are you?
You dey crazy.
Your mama go die. Can never be well. God go punish you. Man, get that for God punish you, idiot. You mad. Beautiful girls say me because what girls avoid me. Turn on your camera, you.
Okay.
Fast about it.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Jesus. Now, POS camera, you join my life. Now, money point.
Sir?
Now, money point camera they use. Answer my question, don't waste my time.
No.
Jesus, what do you want from me?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
So you don't want any help?
I want help now.
What kind of help do you want?
Assisting help.
I send you money.
Shut up your mouth, let me talk to her. How much?
It's about 500k for a stylist. I want to open shop.
Okay, wait, stand up, let me see your full body. Turn around. Take your nyash. Shake it. Turn around and shake your nyash. Shake it very well.
Bend down, shake am.
Bend down,
no like example, see like this.
Show him.
Do like this.
Oh yeah.
Bend down like that.
Turn back.
What I'm wearing is.
You no get sense.
Come, what's wrong with you? Turn around and shake it, Jare. Shake it until I tell you to stop. Shake it until I tell you to stop. Shake it until I tell you to stop. Show him, look at.
Something like that.
Oh yeah, like say you want to do cultural dance. Move that. Like say you want to do cultural.
Move that.
Beep.